This is a 2009 Big Dawg K9 chopper. This is one incredible motorcycle. This K9 has 6,171 original miles on the odometer. It is equipped with the chrome package. And what that entails is the chrome wheels, chrome rotors, chrome brackets, chrome front end. All the hand controls and levers are chromed. All the foot controls are chromed. The engine cases are chromed. Passenger pegs, belt guards, everything is chrome on this bike as opposed to being polished, which comes on a regular K9 model. Really sets it off. The other great feature of this K9 is the Diamond Cut 117 S&S fuel injected motor. The heads are diamond cut, the cylinders are diamond cut, the cases are chrome. It has electronic fuel injection, super TRAPP pipes have been added. This chopper runs very, very stout. Has a 300 rear tire, 21-inch chrome front, matching rear. The bike is painted matte gray. Great looking pinstriping. The chrome package really sets this K9 off. It's got the 10-inch Windvest smoked flared windshield, which can be removed if you don't want a windshield on your chopper. 6-speed right side drive transmission. Two-up Big Dawg seat, passenger backrest, luggage rack. It also comes with a solo Big Dawg seat. If you want to run by yourself, you can take off the backrest, luggage rack, the two-up seat. It looks great as a solo bike. Matching pulley. If it's not painted on this bike, it's chrome. I just love the diamond cut. That just sets off an engine. Electric compression releases. The front wheel is a 21-inch. LED turn signals in the front, LED lights in the back. This is just one incredible chopper. People say the day of the chopper is over, but one look at this beauty and one run down the highway, you'll know better than that. This bike is a showstopper and a traffic stopper. For information on how to put this beautiful 2009 K9 in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.